Chapter 1 Arjuna Vishad Yog Arjuna's Despair Drishtve mam swajanam Krishna Yuyutsum samupasthitam. Seeing his own people ready for battle, Arjuna is overwhelmed with sorrow and doubt. Chapter 2 Sankhya Yoga Knowledge and Duty Karmanye vadhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana. You have the right to perform your duty, but not to the fruits of your actions. Chapter 3 Karma Yoga Tasmadasaktah satatam karyam karma samachara. Perform your duty without attachment, for by doing so one attains the Supreme. Chapter 4 Jnana Karma Sannyasa Yoga Knowledge and Renunciation. Yada yada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata. Whenever righteousness declines, I manifest myself. Chapter 5 Karma Sannyasa Yoga Renunciation and Action. Brahmanyadhaya karmani sangam tyaktva karoti yaha. One who performs actions offering them to God is untouched by sin. Chapter 6 Dhyana Yoga Meditation. Uddharedatmanatmanam natmanam avasadayet. Elevate yourself by your own efforts. Do not degrade yourself. Chapter 7 Jnana Vijnana Yoga Knowledge of the Absolute. Manushyanam sahasreshu kaschid vyatati siddhaye. Among thousands, one strives for perfection, and among them, few truly know me. Chapter 8 Akshara Brahma Yoga The Eternal. Yam yam vapi smaran bhavam tyajati ante kaleoram. At the moment of death, the thoughts we hold shape our next destiny. So, a life spent remembering the eternal leads us to the eternal. Chapter 9 Rajavidya Rajaguhya Yoga Royal Knowledge and Secret. Ananyas chintayanto mam ye janah pariyupasate tesham nityabhiyuktanam yogakshemam vahamyaham. Those who worship me with exclusive devotion, I carry what they lack and preserve what they have. Chapter 10 Vibhuti Yoga Divine Glories. Aham sarvasya prabhavo mattah sarvam pravartate iti matva bhajante mam buddha bhava samanvitaha. I am the source of all. Knowing this, the wise worship me with devotion. Chapter 11 Vishwarup Darshan Yoga The Vision of the Universal Form. Kalosmi lokakshayakrut pravruddha. I am time, the mighty destroyer of the worlds. Chapter 12 Bhakti Yoga The Yoga of Devotion. Yasman no dvijate loko loka no dvijate chayaha. One who lives with loving devotion, causing no unrest to others, and remaining inwardly calm amid life's disturbances, is especially dear to the divine. Chapter 13 Kshetra Kshetrajna Vibhaga Yoga The Yoga of understanding the body and the consciousness. Kshetrajnam chapi mam vidhi sarva kshetreshu bharata. The individual soul experiences one body, but the Supreme Lord is the universal awareness present in every body as the ultimate knower. Chapter 14 Gunatraya Vibhaga Yoga The Yoga of Three Gunas. Mam chayo vyabhicharina bhakti yogena sevate. One who serves the divine with unwavering devotion rises beyond sattva, purity and clarity, rajas, passion and restlessness, and tamas, ignorance and inertia, attaining true spiritual freedom. Chapter 15. Purushottama Yoga, the Yoga of the Supreme Person. Mamevamsho jiva loke, jiva bhuta sanatanaha. Every living being is an eternal part of the Supreme Person, temporarily embodied in the material world, yet forever connected to the divine. Chapter 16. Daiva Sura Sampad Vibhaga Yoga, divine and demonic qualities. Daivi Sampad Vimokshaya, Nibandhaya Asuri Mata. Divine qualities lead to liberation. Demonic qualities lead to bondage. Chapter 17. Shraddha Traya Vibhaga Yoga, the threefold faith. Shraddha Mayoyam Purusho, Yo Yat Shraddha Saeva Saha. A person becomes what they believe in, shaped by sattvic faith, purity and wisdom, rajasic faith.
Chapter 18. Moksha Sannyasa Yoga, liberation through renunciation. Sarva dharman parityajya, mamekam sharanam vraja. Aham tvam sarva papebhyo mokshayishyami ma shuchaha. Abandon all duties and surrender unto me alone. I shall liberate you from all sins. Do not grieve.